Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We've got an awesome Laguna Beach house, brand new construction, ready for you.
Beachy Beach.
Hey there, we're over here checking out this adorable little beach cottage over in Laguna Beach. As you can see, we're in the open concept living and kitchen space. A lot of natural light. We've got lots of windows at the front door. Nice big spacious kitchen island, plenty of counter space, updated appliances, and beautiful granite countertops. The white cabinetry, plenty of storage space, and it has this bright, open coastal feel. And check out this gorgeous tile flooring. No sand caught in the carpet. The 9-foot ceilings help make it feel extra spacious as well. Let's go check out the rest of the house.
Welcome to this nice, spacious main ensuite. You've got plenty of room here. You do have another smaller room, better for an office. It gives you your access to outside, but you've got plenty of room here and puts your perfect little beachy touch. But I love this bathroom, so let's go look at that. How about this nice updated modern bathroom? You've got glass all the way around the shower, so it lets in more light, feels a little more open than it is. And you've got the tiles and granite countertops. It's just perfect with a little extra bedazzle on those fixtures. So for more information, look in the description below. You can check out the actual MLS listing link and get all the fine details.
And don't miss out on any future deals like this one.
Right.
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell.